will be. Got 3 life jackets on. I'm terrified, to be honest. First time I've been here and I'm terrified.
So why are you doing it?
It's the thrill of it. Every time it's breaking, we come up from Kerr, surf the wave. It's not about the height. We're surfing it at the moment. We're trying to get into the barrels. That's when the wave goes over your head. So it's not about the height of the wave like they surf down in the Zare. It's all about getting into the barrel and getting into the pocket.
I'd say 20 to 40 foot faces, maybe some of the sets 50 foot on the face of the wave. But the thing that's real special about this wave is it's a very hollow wave and it creates a big barrel. And that's what we're looking for as being a surfer, is riding the biggest barrel you can possibly ride.
Unlike any other big wave around the world, it's so hard to surf that it gives an extra challenge, and I think that's what brings guys back every year to surf it.
You usually lie on your back and they pull you up on the jet ski, and you're going pretty fast into the wave, and then that's pretty much it from there. Everything else is instinct.
There's some thrill.
Yeah, it's crazy. Buzzing for days after it. There's nothing like it, definitely not. Pretty intense and scary. There's a lot of water movement and it's massive. So, but we've got a lot of guys on safety that are standing by, like Paul O'Kane and Peter Conroy and all the boys who are looking after us, which is amazing. Like, they're doing such a good job.
Mullaghmore Head is amazing. It's the place I fell in love with big wave surfing. So whenever there's a swell, I will always get myself back to this part of Ireland. And yeah, I love the wave. It suits my style of surfing, and yeah, it's an amazing spot.
What does it feel like out there?
It's like you're riding down a street pavement and the pavement's falling away underneath you, and then it's kind of coming up over your back. And then when it lands on your back, it is like a ton of bricks as well. So
And that's fun?
It's what I live for, and it's what I want to carry on doing for a fair few years, yeah.
The big wave surfers attracted big crowds, including a famous face from UK television.
I've got a bit of holiday time at the moment, so I was able to just jump on a flight last minute.
Has it been worth it?
Yeah, a lot of us standing up here, we're all surfers, but there's no way that we even consider getting in the water today. It's really dangerous. But I mean, they kind of train for that, and they've got all the right safety equipment, and they know what they're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, then you're a madman considering getting in the water.
But even some of the most experienced surfers can have mishaps out there. What happened to you?
I just went for a wave, and discretion. I threw the board away, and the wave just smashed the board. That was it.
You got a whack on the face yourself?
That was scratch going, getting into the water. Okay. Just that for looks.
There was such a great buzz. I mean, the village was dead for, in the winter time it's so quiet. You see a storm, but a storm from Mullaghmore, it's great for the surfers to fly in. It's great.
So what do you do when you see the surf is up?
Surfers come. It could be a Monday morning. You're like, oh, Monday morning, here we go. But you see the jet skis pulling up at the harbour, and you're like, right, busy day, get upon a safe rock quick.
The storm brought a huge media focus on Mullaghmore. Photographs went worldwide, and our RTE pictures got tens of thousands of hits on the web and were rebroadcast across Britain and Europe.
I think it'll be a huge boost to the northwest in general, and Mullaghmore in particular. I think we have one of the most beautiful resorts in the country here, and it's virtually untouched. And any kind of positive focus is terrific. The exposure will lead to more and more people visiting Mullaghmore, which has to be lovely for everybody involved.
So long may the big waves last.
Absolutely.
Well, it's an ill wind that blows no good, and Mullaghmore was a surprising beneficiary of our recent